I'm going to be sharing with you everything I was able to do on this particular channel to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And this thing is just one thing. And I'm going to be telling you if you're going to continue with this or not after getting your subscribers. So let's dive right into the video. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joanna Moshkara. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanne and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty content on YouTube. So yeah, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So in today's video by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. 3 days guys, 3 days. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching this video. I know some people have been having difficulty. They've been stuck in 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and they're like, what can I do to get up to 1,000 subscribers? Because you know the threshold for YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube, is to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So here I'm going to be teaching you how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. I'm going to tell you how to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. 3 days, guys, 3 days. And yeah, I'll be spilling all the teas in this video. So yeah, welcome back. So yeah, to get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days, there are some things you need to do. So the only thing you're going to be doing now is just one thing, and that one thing is shorts. So yeah, shorts have the ability to reach a wider audience, and I'll definitely recommend everyone to do shorts. So the thing about shorts is, normally everybody's life attention span is very short, and therefore short is the go-to if you want to get people's attention to your channel. So yeah, first thing first, you have to go to Instagram. You get a wedding video. Normally wedding videos do well, so I advise you to get a wedding videos. So you get the wedding videos from Instagram, and I use an app to download the videos because Instagram has their own things on it. So to download Instagram videos, I use Insta Saver. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go to Apple Store, or if you're an Android user, you go to Play Store and you search Insta Saver. So yeah, do that right now as I'm talking. Type Insta Saver and you see it come up, and you download that video. So once you downloaded the app, you keep it there. So you now go to Instagram and you just type on your Instagram, go to search, and you type wedding videos. So yeah, you click on the wedding video you want. When you click on that video, I would advise you to go for transition videos. All the wedding videos, bridal showers, transition videos. Yeah, those videos do well on YouTube. So yeah, once you do that, you download, you go to share. You see there's an arrow under it. You click on that arrow and you click copy link. So once you've copied the link, you go to your Insta Saver. So you click on your Insta Saver. Once you open your Insta Saver, the link will automatically say allow paste. So you just allow the paste and then it will generate. And once you generate it, you just download it to your gallery and you're good to go. So now we're going to go to our YouTube studio. So yeah, we're in our YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, sorry, YouTube app. Go to your YouTube app, you see a plus sign there. So you click on that plus sign. And once you click on that plus sign, you would see choose either videos or shorts. So you click on shorts and you choose the video you just downloaded. So in that video, then you now click good, okay. Then you see the text part, you now put wedding video, type it on the screen, wedding video, and then just add it to the video just to make it different. So now the tricky part about this is your audio. The audio that came with that video, you're going to mute it, and then now you're going to add a video, add another audio. So the thing about audio, always choose audio that are from like 1 million people used. Like yeah, choose audio that has more people using it. So I'm going to be choosing this friendship. It has up to 15 million people using it, so I'll advise you to use this one. So I'll select that one and I'll add it to my video. So once you're done adding it to your video, you then give it the okay sign, and then you upload it to your YouTube. So yeah, in just, let me tell you, like in one day you get up to like 100 subscribers. I'm not capping. Like this has done wonders. Like if you noticed in my channel, you'll see that my growth was very sharp. Like it didn't waste time. Under how many, let me say like 3 days, I was on 1,000 subscribers ASAP. Like do this. And the thing about this thing is, I advise you to do it to get up to your at least 2,000 subscribers Once you're done, because you know it's other people's content you're using, you just delete them. So shorts can't give you cannot get monetized with shorts. Shorts you can't get monetized with shorts. So I advise you, once you've got to your 2,000 subscribers, you delete all those videos or you hide them, like you privatize them so that people can't see them. So now what you'll be planning on doing now is how to get your long form videos for people to watch it and get more subscribers from there. Because the threshold for YouTube to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, so now we're trying to build our 4,000 watch hours. We've done the 1,000 subscribers, which is one of the requirements. So now what you're going to be doing now is how to get the 4,000 watch hours. So to get that 4,000 watch hours, you have to work on videos that people actually like know your audience, what they like, and give them what they like. You can go to other YouTubers, look at what they're doing that is making them blow up on YouTube, the editing skills they're doing, the video, their thumbnails. See, thumbnails are one thing that attracts people, so you should get very creative with your thumbnail. Do catchy titles that are clickbait, titles that are clickbait in quotes, like will make your audience click. Like when you see a video, there's so many content out there on YouTube. You just see them and you're wondering which one should I click, which one should I click. So the one with the catchy thumbnail, those are the ones you click. So you look at what the person did that made you to click on that video. So from there you'll be learning some tips and tricks on how to like work up on your YouTube, on your thumbnail, how to get it better, and basically just working on your thumbnail. And another thing you should also do is sit down and look at you in person. Look at what you like watching. So from what you like watching, those are the things you will now think of creating. So if you're looking for content ideas and you're like, what can I create? Like I'm having sometimes you can have what they call this thing, content block out, like you're not getting content. Like you can always use ChatGPT. That's one thing I do to always get consistent on YouTube. I use ChatGPT to like give me content ideas. I'll just give ChatGPT prompts on things I like, and they should just give me 1 month, 1 month worth of content, and I'm good to go. Like every month I have my content out there. I have what and what to film, and I don't have to stress about it. So yeah, if you're into hair, just look at what people are like now. If you're into natural hair, you just search how to grow natural hair. Look at what the person did to get up to 1 million views. What they did. Look at their thumbnail. Look at their title. Look at their captions. Just look at everything they did, the editing style, what they did to get up to that, to get that amount of views, and you do them and add your own touch. Everybody has to have their own touch to it. It's not like you copying and pasting. Just add your own touch to it and make it unique and make it you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it to your friends, your family, people that are interested in getting up to 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, guys. This works, no cap. Like if you've done it and it works, leave it in the comment section. Let other people know that this actually works and people are getting 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days, guys. 3 days. That's alarming. So yeah, if you want to do that, also do that. So also to get the 4,000 watch hours, I've already given you tips and tricks on how to get 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, I'll definitely tell you guys to always like listen to what I say, and if it works for you, leave it in the comment section so people will know that this actually worked. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.